did I get that on camera? Today, we've got Josh's truck in here again, and we're gonna be installing the vapor trapper. I know Josh and his wife are gonna be super happy because Josh keeps this in the garage at his house. It smells like gas, and we don't want that. This is gonna eliminate the gas smells at his house.
So this is from Shop 48 and LG Billet. This is the vapor trapper, and it is a vapor canister, so your garage doesn't stink anymore. All the fumes get caught by this charcoal canister right here, and it's billet aluminum, fancy nice for fancy nice truck. Fix you right up.
Oh, this is gonna be nice.
You ready?
I'm ready.
A little enthusiasm there, Josh.
Oh, there was none. It's gonna be nice.
Oh, very nice.
This is my son.
Yeah.
This is my son, y'all, in case you didn't know. He's taller than his dad. I can't believe it.
I'll be 40 in a few days.
Are you really?
I had you when I was 6. We're gonna get this vapor trapper installed on this truck. We're probably gonna make Josh do most of the work, and we're gonna watch him narrate a little bit. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Can't get no damn work done. Trying to shoot videos.
We're trying to make a video, and Carter's making a bunch of noise, which is per usual.
Now he's over there with his arms crossed. Look at him.
Look, he's pouting.
I can't do nothing.
Your phone's ringing.
Your phone's
ringing.
quacking. All right, so what, we got a game plan.
Yeah, Josh is making up AN lines right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get our holes drilled for our mounts and everything, and then we'll just put it all right together.
It'll be okay. Okay, so you're about to drill some holes.
Drill some holes.
Josh, what are you doing?
Trying to get this vent line off, and then I'll be making AM fittings to tap into that.
What am I doing?
Videoing.
Oh, okay, that'll work.
You're gonna put the sticker on at the end.
Ooh, I can do that. I can do that. That's definitely right up my alley. Putting stickers on. I'm the expert sticker putter oner.
You
Promise.
did a pretty good job on the Honda.
Oh yeah, we did put stickers on the Honda. I forgot about that.
They printed that, Carter.
Yeah, you know they printed that.
What are you talking about?
Carter today, we were talking about these stickers, and they look like the Mexican blanket style, like color. He was like, I was like, I think those are stickers. Carter's like, they make stickers like that, and I was like, they printed them. He's like, what do you mean they printed them? I was like, you can print anything you want on a vinyl sticker, and he looked so
Well, I didn't know
confused.
that they had the vinyl in a row already.
He was dumbfounded.
I was like, Carter, I said, Carter, all these stickers got printed right here.
Where were we on that lunch? We were at lunch somewhere. I was like, they printed that, dog.
Carter said, I'm grinding. I'm not messing with y'all no more. Where's the vapor trapper going?
It's gonna go right here on the side, is what old boss man said.
Is that where you want it, Josh?
Right there.
Right here? Yeah. That looks good. I like it right there. Josh, what just happened?
I don't know.
What happened? Was that doesn't go.
They don't fit.
That's not gonna fit, Russell. Russell, these. Hold on. They don't work that way.
You're gonna have to rustle up some more parts.
We're gonna have to go in y'all's box.
Okay, change of plans. You're not using AN fittings.
No, I didn't have the right stuff. I thought this
Golly.
was male instead of female.
So let me see if I can find some hose clamps.
That's all you got?
That was the last two.
It works till I get some pretty ones. Chase, what you got to clean this? It's gotta be nice and pretty.
Some white lightning. Not white lightning. Some white diamond.
White lightning. It's like shit.
Golly, did I get that on camera? You straight smashed your head.
That one hurt.
What were you doing?
I was looking at that drill bit.
You didn't split it, did you?
There's no holes I can feel.
I heard it.
A little bruise right there.
Dude, I heard
No,
it.
like right.
No, you ain't doing it.
I'm gonna show you where. Like right there. There's a little bruise.
Yeah.
I thought Carter was gonna dig his finger.
Okay, let's try this again. All I'm trying to do is polish this. Nobody hurt themselves. Nice and shiny. You ready to go on the vapor trapper?
Yeah, I'm gonna install this. Unfortunately, I have to reach my hand all inside this frame rail to hook the backside up
Oh, for the nuts?
for the nuts. Got it. It's gonna drive me nuts. Watch your head around this lift.
Dude, this lift gets you every time.
Every time. And I had my glasses on my nose when I did that too, so I was looking through like this. Boom.
Josh, you spitting on it? I saw you in there spitting on it.
Yeah. Josh knows.
You gotta spit on it.
Yeah. What's that face you make?
I was finna touch that wiener. It's sticking up right there.
I'm filing sexual harassment charges.
Who are you talking to? HR?
Yeah. Who's HR around here?
What would you like to tell me?
I don't even feel comfortable telling you now.
You mean reach my hand in there? You're scared to reach your hand in there?
I'm not scared. I was just talking that trash, buddy.
It'd suck if the car started rolling or something.
Well, I gotta try
Think about that.
both ways. This way?
Yeah. There was a lock washer already on there.
I'm a little taller than me. So I'm going to stand on my tippy toes. Am I feeling for something?
There's a bolt sticking through there.
Are we trying to go all the way to the back here?
Yeah.
Oh my. Oh no, I'm going to have to come down. I can't reach.
Let me try.
Yeah, y'all
Again.
are taller than me. I thought I could do it, but I'm going to need a steppy stool.
So it's all done, no problem.
That's pretty easy.
Wasn't too bad at all.
It was kind of a headache.
Because you hit your head.
Definitely gonna help out my garage.
I'm anxious to hear. You can't see.
Yeah.
I'm anxious to hear how it helps out.
Smell?
The smell. Because you told the Vapor Trapper guys the other day, it's hard to tell in here.
Yes. Because we got stuff coming and going.
And it's a big, huge area, but his garage is real confined.
I've got a regular 2-car garage, is very well insulated, and if there's gas fumes in there, they just stick around. So my wife will probably be happy that it doesn't stink up the garage when she pulls in there. And
Be nice.
be nice.
It is going to be nice.
You're going to have to air your garage out for a few days.
Probably.
Just to see if it makes a difference.
Probably that's what the Chase was saying.
Oh, sorry. I walked.
No, I was telling him that. It does look good though in there. Pretty nice install.
I'm cockeyed. You want me to put it on there?
Yeah. You might put it on crooked after you hit your head.
That's right.
That is taking extremely too long.
It was oddly satisfying.
You put it on there. Oh, that's crooked. To the left. To the right.
Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time.
Throwing me off.
Done.
It is crooked.
It'll be okay.
Now it's going to work right. Because
Four.
it's got that sticker on it. It does look good though.
Yeah.
It looks nice. Vapor Trapper for the win. When it starts, them dudes be.
You do it.
Yeah, I can't come back.
I can't either.
They go through it and backwards, and
Yeah.
that's a cheap one. It's too soft. But you can roll it.
You were going fast.
You can roll
How'd you
it.
go so fast, Josh?
You just roll your hands.
Chase, you've been working out. Let's see what you can do.
Shoot, I can't do that.
It's this right here.
No, I'm talking about the weights, baby.
Oh, the weights.
Yeah.
Oh no, I can't.
This is lightweight. This is for my.
I could probably do that bar about 10 times.
No, you can do more than that.
No, I really can't.
It's just for kids. It's this right here. Hands closed. Like this.
We used to have one at my house in 320.
Knock my head off. Well, Josh, I do want to ask you.
Yes.
I noticed it.
Oh yeah.
Did you notice
When
it?
we first walked in, I know I can smell a gas can somewhere. I came over here and got my transfer case for Dirt Dauber because there's my engine for Dirt Dauber right there. My son-in-law here gave it to me. Huh? It smelled way stronger than this in here. Way stronger.
He's married to Aubrey?
See, I was just trying to talk that trash.
You're
My
trying to.
son,
You should say brother. Or
my brother.
But yeah.
People accuse us of being related. We
Okay.
are not a relation.
But you got your engine over here.
But it doesn't. The Vapor Trapper's making a difference in here.
Yeah.
You can definitely tell. What's your wife think?
She likes it because it did in the summertime. It got way worse. Hot in here, fumes. It's doing its job.
So the wife's happy. The kids are out here working out.
Doesn't stink.
I'm glad that worked out. That is a true test, especially in a atmosphere like this, a small garage that's well insulated. Now, your family's happy, your wife's happy, and the Vapor Trapper works out. And y'all go check them out, Vapor Trapper,
Shop 48.
You can go to LG Billet, you can get them there. They're the greatest. Get one for your ride and cut out the gas smell.
And they look nice. If you got a nice ride like this, you don't want to put no junk on there. It's a billet aluminum charcoal canister for your show car.
Quality piece made in the USA.
America.
America. Go get you one. We'll see y'all next time.
Vapor Trapper.